No, you cannot record that.
Too late recording it. All right. So as I was saying, I want to just kind of touch base on the items that I left on my UX coverage issue, and then
Okay.
just highlight some of the things. I'm going to share my screen just for the sake.
Yeah,
of
that works better.
Yeah. Right. So I added here that high priority will be general UX coverage for the 13.5 items that are in development. So that means merge request reviews of anything that is UX.
Okay.
And here we have the planning issue. And you're going to see that there's not a lot of UX because we planned it so that because I'm not here, we're not going to have a lot of testing to
do. Totally. No, that's fair.
So let's see. I think. Oh yeah. So there's this, and also pages. Mike Nichols is the pages DRI. So for example, this issue here, it's under release management UX, but it's pages. So I have no idea what's going on here. This is really Mike Nichols. So if you have like any questions, I would say touch base with Jackie, but also ping Mike because he's the main DRI.
Gotcha. Okay.
Let me open just everything here.
Yeah. Do your thing. I'm just gonna assign myself to this one as well, just for the sake of.
Yeah, because what Dimitri did is that I kind of listed just the responsibilities, but not every single issue because I don't know which ones they are getting to.
Yeah, totally. Yeah, no, that's fair.
Yeah, so this is just the planning issue for us. This first one is a backend, doesn't matter. Oh, this one.
Okay.
Group milestone to be associated with project release in API. So this is a backend issue that has a UX label, but it's mostly because we just decide the approach of the user experience. So there's no front end, and yeah, probably nothing to review here, but there's a UX label. Pages doesn't have front end or back end, so I have no idea what this is. It's a back end.
I will defer to Mike if I mean something comes up. Yeah.
And see another one of pages. Also, I think this is the one I just showed. It's front end pages. I'm gonna add here as a note something like pages issues, so that I can just touch base with Jackie and also. This is not UX. This is not UX.
This is gonna be a breeze.
Yeah, because I work ahead of, I think maybe, I don't know, 2-3 milestones ahead. Depends on how you prioritize things. So everything for 13.5 is done, and now see we're looking at 13.6.
Right.
7, so it's a bit different. Adding the merge request stats to block header on section of release. We already have a merge request for this, I guess.
Okay.
No.
Yeah, it seems to be one there. Yeah. Oh, but it's like a backend related thing.
It's a backend. But this issue in particular, this UX was ready, I think, a couple of months ago, and it's pretty much about adding. You see the merge request here, a counter, and the number of open, closed, and merge requests that were associated to a release.
Oh, that's pretty cool. I like that feature.
Today we have this counter, which counts the issues. We have milestones, we have issues. Now we want to have merge requests. So
so if you click open, it takes you to the list of MRs scope to that.
Filter by the release.
The release, yeah. Gotcha.
But I think that with this issue, let me see if it's out of scope. I think this issue is really about seeing the stats, not really clicking and going. Because I don't think the filter is ready just yet. But in any case, and if that's the case, you're free to just tell them, okay, open a follow-up issue.
Okay, perfect.
So let me confirm. Yeah, the other issue is the backend. Yeah, it's one merge request. So this is it. I'm also going to put here that like 13.5 UX issues. This is the same. Then
Okay.
UX backend, which is same one, but the backend for the
Right.
this.
Got it.
Activate links. See, this is about.
Oh yeah, yeah. It's different. It's
Yeah.
different. Yeah, that makes sense.
We're going to merge requests. Tag evaluation, tag evaluation. That's 13.5.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then since 13.4 is still going on,
You're right.
it might be that we're gonna have some merge requests.
Yeah, next week, like some late MRs to review.
We have I think 5-6 days, right? For the,
Yeah, it's what day is today? Today is 11. Yeah, and they usually stop like merging for the release
yeah.
like 5 days, 4 days.
And let's see here.
Yeah, I think we have still like
No idea.
3 days at least, you know.
Yeah, with the weekend.
No, without the weekend. Be
Oh, okay, then doesn't really matter. But I'm reviewing already some things. Update sorting component styles. I don't think this is no. Let's go to the merge request view. And let's see the milestone. I wish we just showed the latest milestone here, like the most recent, but okay.
right. Yeah.
Well, my goodness. Release.
That happens to me all the time. How do we fix that? I want to create an issue for that. So annoying.
Fix this. So annoying because now it's like, oh, release management. Okay.
There you go.
And then I also want to put label UX. The guys work pretty fast with the front-end merge request. So if there's anything open, I'm not even aware of because I reviewed most of the things. Ah, there you go.
There you go.
Yeah, none of them are release management. No, they are.
Okay.
Yeah.
Could you still like irrespective of that, could you just put that filter URL into the issue?
Oh, yeah.
Just,
Sure.
yeah.
Some of the things I also add the label just for myself, so I know, okay, these are the things that I'm working, so that Jackie knows.
Got it. Got it.
Release management. So that she knows I'm working on something. But for example, this is 13.4, and it's about updating the sorting component styles because we want to allow users to sort releases by the release date and the creation date. This is going to happen in 13.6, something like that, 13.5.
Okay.
Then this issue that Jake has here, but I'm not sure. Here. So it's about this merge request. Exactly. But then Amelia, it's already reviewing it because Amelia created the guidelines for the sorting component. So
okay.
She's a bit more.
Perfect.
She's more aware. And it's the same, the styles.
Got it.
So pretty much, hopefully, there's not a lot.
Well, that's gonna be the easiest coverage ever. I think you. So. Yeah, no, that was. It really looks like you planned, so it wasn't, you know, like an overhead for anyone who was covering for you. So like, I really appreciate that, and yeah, like I'll be paying attention to all these issues. I'm already. I assigned myself the release one as well. Mm-hmm. And yeah, I'll ping Jackie anyway. Once you're out, I'll let her know, hey, please don't hesitate to just ping me directly so we can, yeah. She's probably the one who's gonna be like seeing everything, so she can like just cut corners and go directly to me. But overall, yeah, this looks like a breeze. So yeah, thank you for doing that. oh, you already have a template for this type of UX coverage thing, right? Like you
Yes,
created a template, right?
I added a template to the design project. So if you want to
Yeah.
create, you can just reuse the template.
Yeah, that's excellent. That this is so useful, and it really helps a lot whoever is gonna cover for the other person. So
Yeah, and
yeah,
then
I mean that's great.
and then there's just two quick things. I added to the cover test that you would have to maybe do some prototyping of a CIT dashboard with Jackie. That's
Yeah.
not really necessary anymore because we bumped that out.
Okay.
So don't worry about that unless priorities change while I'm
Yeah. I've been waiting for that one to see if it comes or not, but yeah, I'm aware of that one.
No, it changed. It changed to we're gonna do something like this now. The Dora for metrics, I'm gonna add here to the chat. On group releases. So instead of having a CI/CD dashboard, we're gonna see how we can put metrics on the release group view. So instead of creating another dashboard, we can incorporate it in a view that we are building for group releases.
Yeah.
So that's gonna wait until I'm back. And then anything, I think that if you're of course welcome to join the Think Big sessions. I think I already added to the invite.
Yeah, I think I saw it. Yeah.
Yeah, there's one session. If you could attend, that would be super cool. And anything else, Jackie will be on top of it because yeah, she knows everything that's happening.
Yeah.
But if there's anything,
yeah, I'm seeing it here. I'm just accepting right now. Yeah, I can make it. I can make it do that thing big.
If there's anything, especially that you think that it's really out of your comfort zone or that you don't have capacity, please tell Jackie and communicate with Nadia, because I really try to leave these things ready for the team, but also understand that, yeah, if it's really outside of your scope.
Yeah, I know, but I think so far, like, just reading through the issues, like, not that I understand them, like, right away, but I know that if I just, like, read through them, I will get it. So, yeah, I don't feel like it's going to be a challenge if anything comes up. So awesome. I think we're good. I think you can just go and paint your house without worrying too much what's going on here.
I'll send some pictures to the team page, to the Slack later.
Nice.
Oh, and we already kind of touched base on that, but for the maintainer, the UX maintainer, ping Tori.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah, I'll do that.
I think Tori, it's more on top of things than Pedro at this moment because Pedro just made a switch for staff recently.
Yeah.
So really go with the Tori, and I think Gerard also go to.
Perfect.
Yeah. Right.
All right. Well, that sounds great. I hope you have a great PTO if you ever like really rest. I don't think you're gonna, but it's also gonna be exciting because I already did it for my place like 3 months ago, and it's pretty cool when you are like in your new place and you start like trying to imagine the spaces and everything. So yeah, good luck with that.
Thank you, Juan. I'm looking forward to it. Yeah. And if you have any questions, Slack is there.
I will. Yeah. Yeah.
I'm not gonna be here.
Perfect. All right.
All right. Thank you so much.
Well, yeah. Have a good weekend. Bye.
Thank you. You too. Bye.